Are you wondering what the regulatory changes mean for your advisory or distribution business? Worried about net worth and licensing requirements? With iFast, you can join Asia's largest network of independent wealth advisors to offer both advisory and distribution like a corporate registered investment advisor without getting a license yourself. iFast is India's only complete wealth management platform with full support for multi-asset advisory, automated fee recovery, client-level segregation, and global investments. The inclusion of mutual funds, bonds, stocks, and ETFs allows you to service a wider range of clients with different investment needs. Our groundbreaking advisory fee calculation and collection process seamlessly across different asset classes help you build lasting relationships with your clients. Inbuilt support for both distribution and advisory models with client-level segregation allows you to grow your business in full compliance with SEBI regulations. With our international platform, you can differentiate yourself as a global investment advisor with access to the best stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds across the world. In this mobile era, much can be achieved without even meeting your clients face-to-face. With the iFast Client mobile app, users can easily approve trades and track their goals and portfolios across multiple investment accounts with just one login. The iFast Group is Asia's leading investment products distribution platform. Incorporated in Singapore back in 2000, we are now present in Hong Kong, Malaysia, China, and India. iFast was listed on the Singapore Exchange Mainboard in 2014. Across Asia, the iFast platform offers access to over 11,000 investment products and services, including online discretionary portfolio management services, research and investment seminars, and fintech solutions. Beyond online services, iFast advisors also gain from exclusive AMC trainings and portfolio strategy workshops all year round. Our advisors obtain the latest information and portfolio strategies from our in-house research team and representatives from global fund houses. Our flagship event, iFast Global Wealth Advisors Symposium, assembles experienced wealth advisors and other experts around the world to share ideas and best practices. We offer you tailor-made technology solutions to help you create an advisory practice of the future. Our technological expertise can help you embark on your own DIY B2C journey. You can also launch your robo-advisory solution at a competitive cost. At iFast, we aim to help investors around the world invest globally and profitably.